Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer specific or all photos from your iPhone to your MacBook computer. The first thing you have to do is make sure you are plugged in to your iPhone and have that connected to your computer. When you do that, go on to your photos, and then inside your photos, you'll see where it says devices. iPhone should pop up on here. If this does not pop up, what that means is that you haven't trusted your iPhone to connect to the computer yet. So go back and look at your iPhone, type in your password, hit trust, and then it should pop up here any moment. That way you go inside your photos. And then you should see all of your photos here inside. And you can select which photos that you want to import, or if you want to do import all new items, you can import all new items, or specific pictures, you certainly can. And then when you hit import to selected, it's going to import them right onto your imports inside your photos library. It's simple as that. It's very easy. I know that I get a lot of comments and a lot of questions about this. But that's all. That's it. Super simple, super easy. If you have any other questions, please leave it down in the comment box below. But if you want to see more of these how-to videos, technology tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe and that like button so that way you're not missing on any new videos. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.